Before buying ClickFunnels, there are 12 things you should know to make sure it's the right fit for your business. With so many landing page tools out there, you need to understand exactly what you're getting into before committing. First off, ClickFunnels is one of the most popular landing page builders, but it's also one of the most expensive. It's not just a tool for building landing pages, it's an all-in-one sales funnel builder. While this can be great for people who need an integrated solution, it can be overkill if you're just looking for a simple landing page builder, especially when you compare it to alternatives like lead pages or Unbounce. Next thing, pricing. ClickFunnels isn't the most budget-friendly option. The basic plan starts at $147 per month. While this includes a lot of features, it's considerably higher than many competitors, like Builderall or even System.io, which offer similar functionality at a lower cost. The third thing to consider is its learning curve. ClickFunnels comes with tons of features and integrations, but all this power can make it difficult to use at first. If you're new to funnel building or landing page software, expect to spend some time learning how everything works. Other platforms, like Instapage or Landingy, offer more user-friendly interfaces with less complexity. Next up, integrations. ClickFunnels integrates with a wide range of third-party services, which is great if you need to connect with tools like email marketing platforms, CRMs, and payment processors. But if you're running a smaller operation, this might be more than you need. Platforms like Wix or Squarespace are simpler and might suffice for basic needs. The fifth thing to keep in mind is that ClickFunnels offers a lot of pre-designed templates. These can save you time, but if you're looking for customizability, you may feel a bit limited. While you can edit the templates, it's not as flexible as WordPress with a builder like Elementor. The sixth point is funnel templates. ClickFunnels is designed around the concept of sales funnels, which can be both a pro and a con. If you need a dedicated funnel system, ClickFunnels has a massive library of funnel templates. But if you only need landing pages, you might not need all of this and could look for a more straightforward solution. The seventh thing, ClickFunnels is known for its affiliate program, which can be a huge bonus if you're planning to promote it or get others to use it. However, this can also be a distraction if you're not interested in building a sales team. Next thing, support. ClickFunnels offers 24/7 customer support, which is a huge plus. However, reviews show that response times can be slow, especially during peak hours. In comparison, tools like Lead Pages and Unbounce generally have faster response times and a more intuitive help system. The ninth thing is mobile responsiveness. ClickFunnels offers mobile-friendly templates, but the customization options for mobile views can be a bit limiting compared to other platforms, such as OptimizePress, which allows for more control over mobile-specific elements. The 10th thing is the sales funnel automation. ClickFunnels includes automation features, which can save you a lot of time, but they can be a bit clunky to set up. If you're after an easier experience, tools like ActiveCampaign offer more intuitive automation workflows. 11th, A/B testing. ClickFunnels allows you to split test your funnels, which is a huge advantage for optimizing conversions. However, it's not as in-depth as platforms like Unbounce, which offer more robust A/B testing tools for landing pages. And lastly, you should know that ClickFunnels isn't a simple drag-and-drop website builder like Wix or WordPress. It's built specifically for funnel building, and while that's excellent for specific use cases, it's not ideal for creating a full website with blogs and advanced SEO. So, should you buy ClickFunnels? It's a powerful tool, but if you're just looking for landing page software and not a full-fledged sales funnel builder, there are cheaper, simpler alternatives available. If you want a better, more affordable option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.